Now let's talk about development of diaphragm. So our diaphragm, this is our diaphragm. It is formed from four structures: body wall of mesoderm, which is cervical somites, dorsal mesoesophagus, septum transversum, and pleuroperitoneal membrane. Okay, so this is A. It is our body wall mesoderm. B. This is our dorsal mesoesophagus. This is our septum transversum, and this is our D. This is our pleuroperitoneal membrane. So if we talk about septum transversum, so this is septum transversum. It forms the central tendon of diaphragm. So it is right here. So it will form the central tendon of diaphragm. Then we talk about cervical somites. Somites, as we discussed in the earlier lecture, somites, it forms myotome, which forms muscle. So somites will form muscle, which is the muscle of diaphragm. And cervical means that it will get its nerve supply from cervical C3, C3, C4, and C5 vertebrae. Like C3, C5, and C, it will give origin. It will give origin to phrenic nerve, and then phrenic nerve will supply the muscles of diaphragm. So that's why it is called cervical somites. Then dorsal mesoesophagus. So this is our esophagus, and it is lined by on both sides by the peritoneum. So a double layer of peritoneum, which is called mesentery commonly. So this is our mesentery, and this is our esophagus. So this is known as mesoesophagus, and it is on the dorsal side. So this is called dorsal mesoesophagus. So this is the third part, and fourth part is pleuroperitoneal membrane. So we have two layers. This is our pleuroperitoneal membrane. Above is our pleura, and below is our peritoneum. Okay, so if this is not formed during the development, this pleuroperitoneal membrane is not formed, then abdominal pressure will increase, which will shift the abdominal organs up to the thorax region. Abdominal organs herniate into the thorax and compresses the lung, which can cause lung hypoplasia. And it is a congenital diaphragmatic hernia. It is a disease due to absence of pleuroperitoneal membrane. Our lung will hypoplasia. It is most common in left side, which is called Bokdalek hernia.